I'm just going to put it on the smallest setting for now until I get used to it. Rev and roll! Whoa! Whoa!
You okay, Ricky?
I'm zoom-tastic. It's a little bouncier than I thought it would be. Wow! Oh! He's right. It is bouncy.
You just need a little more practice.
Great idea, DJ. Best way to practice is to find someone to rescue. Come on, guys.
Ricky! Ricky!
Ricky, look!
Buster needs help.
I know just how to help him. We're setting the ramp to size 2.
Don't worry, Buster. I'll get your ball.
Let's see what this new rescue toy can really do. Ricky to the rescue!
There goes Sergeant Teddy. Let's get him.
Are you all right, Ricky?
That ramp is hard to use.
I'm okay. I've got everything under control.